Hey everybody, welcome back to Free Friends and Fun. In this video, I will be brushing Yuri and doing his claws, and he likes to be brushed, but not to have his claws done. So let's get right into it. So to start, I'm going to start just by brushing him because he likes to be brushed, and therefore that will relax him before he gets his claws done. So this will help him become relaxed, and hopefully he won't mind the claw cutting that much. Although cats do groom themselves, and therefore we don't need to give them baths like we would a dog, it's still good to brush them. That way when they are grooming themselves, they don't eat that much more fur, therefore they won't hack up many hairballs. Also, by the way, this is a special cat brush. The needles are like really fine in it, and it's not like a dog brush, but I also brushed the rabbit with this. Let me know if you want me to do a video of me doing this only to the rabbit, you know, grooming and everything. We can now do the claws. And I don't know if you'll be able to see a very good view of this because I can't hold the camera and do the claws, so it'll just be up as close as I can get it probably. So I hold him like this. So now I'm going to get the camera and try to zoom it in while I cut his claws. Here we go, he's probably gonna meow. They are very sharp. Oh, okay, let's go. This one. There we go. One paw done. 3 to go. I still need to get the back feet, and if you heard any of the sounds he was making, he was not happy. Maybe if I brush him again, he'll chill. Okay, time for the back feet. There we go. Thank you all for watching, and comment down below how you groom your cat, if you do your cat's claws or if you take it to a vet or a groomer to be done, because I know a lot of cats that are really hard to do their claws. And so yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video entertaining, interesting, and slightly possibly informative. I will see you in the next video, and please consider giving this video a big thumbs up so that more people will see it. Bye!